A wealthy, gorgeous millionaire, Elizabeth Gillies has a current net worth of $5 million. To some, she is a megastar, and to others, she is the mean girl from Victorious. She is an excellent singer and dancer, and best of all, she is known in Hollywood for her amazing acting skills. She starred as a billionaire heiress on Netflix Dynasty for 5 seasons, and she is a real-life multimillionaire herself. So, how does Elizabeth spend her net worth? And what is her millionaire lifestyle like? Let's find out! Elizabeth Gillies is a true pet lover. Did you know about her love for pets and how she adopted many of them? She also bought 3 expensive dogs. Other than spending money on her family and her pets, most of the money she makes goes to charity and helping people in need. She is a humanitarian and does whatever she can for the needy. The millionaire lifestyle of Elizabeth Gillies and its uniqueness are what we are going to discuss in our video today. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Nickelodeon star Elizabeth Gillies. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Elizabeth Gillies owns a mansion which she bought with her husband and co-star Michael Corcoran. Luckily, he agreed and we bought a house together. He's a California guy through and through, so it was a big deal for him to leave LA and move to the Southeast, Elizabeth stated. Since she is a multi-millionaire, you might be thinking that she owns multiple houses, but sources have confirmed she only owns that one house in Atlanta worth $25 million. The estate spreads across 2.1 acres and has an amazing view. In total, the house consists of 6 rooms and 10 bathrooms. Other than that, her luxurious home consists of a gym and a library. What makes her library stand out from the others is that it has customized floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. Every detail in the house is created with precision. From the classy wooden fireplace to the snow-white kitchen, everything in the house is majestic. Other than a lavish house, she also has an excellent collection of fancy cars. Her family is seen traveling in beautiful and expensive cars. First in her collection is the Lexus LS 460F Sports model. The cost of this car is surely around $90,000. It's a gorgeous, fast black beauty. Second, one of her favorites is the Land Range Rover. It's great for traveling and is spacious enough for her family. The cost of this sports utility vehicle is estimated to be $130,000. Another stunning car of hers is the Jaguar XJ. This car must have cost her somewhere near $94,000. Along with these, she owns a few more automobiles that are just as amazing. We have always heard that Elizabeth Gillies is a queen of fashion, so is it really true? Well, don't worry, we are about to discuss that next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. When we think of fashion, we immediately think of Elizabeth Gillies. Her stunning red carpet looks and her charismatic appearance at the award shows have definitely made her popular, but after starring in Dynasty, her sense of fashion has changed a lot. "I'm learning about brands and the history of fashion and things that are coming back," she stated. "When I go home now, I don't want anything in my closet. I'm currently rebuilding it, and I used to go into stores that were mid-level and affordable, and I'd buy a lot. Now, I'll take that money and wait until high-end things go on sale. I'm working on building a timeless closet now," Elizabeth shared. Elizabeth Gillies has a unique millionaire lifestyle, and that's another reason for her huge popularity. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Elizabeth Gillies? Which famous purchase of Elizabeth Gillies did you love the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.